Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk to you about our bendable LED strips. Now these are available in a cool white, natural white, warm white and RGBW. So essentially, bendable strips can be bent into any shape. So if you're forming letters or even if you're going around tight angles, the bendable strips will be perfect. Now we do have power to wire connectors, which can help you to power up section of the strips separately. We also do have strip to strip connectors available, which allows you to join two sections of the LED strip together. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.